Fill it out?
No? Here, you can fill it out.
Can win that or 40,000?
Oh, yeah,
I
right.
think I take the 40,000.
I think they're just gonna take your information and sell it.
No, you just give your name and phone number. That's it.
I know, exactly.
Have you been around twice, really?
I had a 59. Let's start over here.
I can do a hard top.
Whoa, that's nice.
Mhm.
I guess I wish I'd have kept every car I ever had.
I like this one.
Condition of art.
Well, it don't look that much, but I bet you that somebody moves out. You know?
Sleeper. Oh yeah, I like that.
I have a question. Where did you get this?
Amazon.
Really?
Yeah, it's called the DJI Pocket 2.
Cool. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
There are a lot of them.
Oh, sorry. Nah, pretty nice.
That can't be from California.
Look at the new nice hoodie.
Oh, pop-up.
This is all original, man. The old 6-cylinder, one barrel carburetor.
Oh yeah, nice. Those were legendary.
I'm ready for something to.
Apache.
Oil filter had oil in it. The old.
Oh, interesting.
It's got refrigeration on it. think it's just smaller wind and don't have so much power. I feel like Jeep than Army.
Is this an Army one?
Well, no.
A Jimmy's?
This is the same engine that the Army Jeeps have, real small. Matter of fact, when you were in Vietnam, the motor pool, you know, they used to overhaul them. The gooks would put them on the back and haul ass.
Damn. That's not that big.
Did you ever have black light and posters?
Pretty nice. I like how it's been. I could have said.
That is super good. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you. Hit me up on Facebook. I will. Now that you're down here, we can actually. I'm
My
over on
speed
this
here, this is what I
side.
love.
Go grab a beer or something. Awesome, buddy. It's nice meeting you.
And also,
I like that one.
It's a 32 roadster. Oh, qué bonito. Look at this. See how high that one is? You see how low? They chop them. This is the best grill que salió el Ford ever. Pretty.
It's badass.
like in the Appalachia.
Nothing but trucks over there. Let's go down the other yard.
Yeah, he could have, but didn't.
You've seen one truck, you've seen them all.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, that's pretty nice. Nice kitchen.
Yeah,
Camper.
that's nice.
Refrigerator, you know, qué bonito. I'm telling that we're harder. They get better every year. It's hard.
It's 33. Any diamond. Something that's weird because you could go in a long time. Diamond. Yeah.
What the hell is that? Nice.
Look like the old Hudson. Diamond. Look like the old Hudson. Man, look at that.
That's super nice. I like the color. Color's really good.
Bonito, ¿no?
Yeah.
Well, entonces lo cortamos porque yo también quiero hablar con los que pagan. Está bien. Okay.
Oh, nice.
35. I had a 36 sugar. There's a coupe.
This is nice. This is it. What year is this one?
35.
Wow. That's history.
These are the same color as my Chevelle.
How does it look on the inside? Oh, damn. That is awesome.
Pretty nice, no?
Mm-hmm.
I always wanted to have one of these.
Yeah, I want one now.
I always wanted a little roadster.
That's an awesome one too.
Hopefully we'll see a 36 or 37 Ford. And I'll tell you what. See, a Hilda had one.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. When I first came to
Was it in
Nevada,
good shape?
I had a DEA agent that had one, and he restored it. It was black. And he was working in MOC, it was a DEA agent. And he couldn't take it with him, so he was going to sell it to me for $2,000. I jumped at it, no. It was in my carport where I had my Austin Healey. Before that, I had that Ford.
Mm-hmm.
And then he found somebody from Chicago called him and bought it for him.
Oh,
So
That one looks pretty nice though.
bad deal. Oh, look at that
that was the suicide
one.
door.
I like that one too.
Bonito, no? It's a little coupe,
Yep,
5 windows.
that is nice. Let me take a look at the.
That's right.
Oh
I
yeah.
started them.
Whew. I like that one.
You're gonna start it with that.
That is an upgraded engine, right? Or
Oh, yeah, no, that's a shit. They used to have flathead V8s.
this is a moonshine car, you think?
There's a fast sound better than the seat top today.
Yeah. You think it's a moonshine car?
That's a nice
This one maybe?
Roadster, a 32 Roadster, qué bonito.
Was Prohibition in the 20s? Was Prohibition in the 20s?
20 and 30.
Okay, yeah. Buick, nice. How's this a bad boy? Yeah, this is nice too.
They're all beautiful. Look at the color.
Yeah.
Rotary Club of Tucson is nice.
Ford there? That's just like the only Tia Hilda had.
Oh yeah, nice.
That's the one Smitty wanted to send me for 2,000, but it's black. Muy bonito. And guy from Washington came and took it.
Help you sign up your car. Help us serve the community. This year's proceeds will be no different as we support JTEC and all the way on.
I used to love to drive it.
Yeah,
Well, it had a little flathead V8.
super nice.
No, these are souped up that you wouldn't believe it. It was gray. The Hilda's was gray.
That's a cool grill.
Yeah, see the headlights? These in teardrops.
Mm.
No, bonito, no man, they got a lot of money in it. Man, look at this one. There's a whole
What the
wheel of-
hell is that?
Esos motores los compras.
Is that an
in a
alternator?
crate. They come like in, yeah, refrigeration and the alternator.
Mm.
They buy them. I think they call them like the A3 package or A2. Todo el motor así. About $7,000 for the motor alone.
Damn, it's nice.
Look at the grill. This is a pretty.
Oh, that is super good.
But you can't drive this in Nogales. Look at it. It's not bad. The first speed bump, pues iba a quedar. I'm sure they go up.
Yeah, probably. That is a nice color too.
Coupe. I like the coupe, sí, nomás el centro enfrente. Just the coupe.
Oh, nice. Oh, nice. Yeah.
These used to have a rumble seat atrás. They open it, you had a seat so you could sit on it.
That sounds like
And when you
fun.
hit the fender, you could hit step on. You had a step where you could get on it. I don't know.
Oh, that's sick. That's awesome.
The bumper atrás.
Yeah, I like that. Whew. I bet it sounds really good.
Whoa. You know, when they race or drag, They take those stoppers off.
Oh, and flames come out.
Flames on, but they're loud, man.
Whoa. Oh, the eyeball. Ooh, nice.
These kind of events are totally impossible with people. So we really want to thank all of the participants, particularly Ford and then the Corvette.
What kind of car is this?
The Packard.
Wow.
48 Packard.
Damn.
Oh, man. Beautiful.
Yeah, it is. Whew.
Boy, they chopped this one quite a bit.
Damn. Nice car.
Beautiful. You know, my neighbor Louis got one of these. It's fiberglass. Todo es fiberglass.
Oh, look at the engine.
Wow, this got a blower and everything on it, yeah. Louis no tiene nada ahorita. He just bought it, and he's gonna fix it, pero he's got so many things. Look,
So many projects. Oh.
There's an old Willis.
Oh man, that's nice.
Yeah.
We're going the wrong way.
I drove the car before, but it was like trying to get like a clown. So, what is the fun car? The paint job on this.
Yeah.
Qué bonito, ¿no?
Yeah. What is it?
Take this, Volkswagen.
Oh,
You take this to the, it's,
a sand dune or something?
yeah, it's some buggies over here. It's a Volkswagen. Dune buggy.
Oh yeah, nice. Oh, nice.
We're getting to the money price here.
And I love her.
It's a 58.
Well, Volkswagen and Porsche, that's how they started.
Yeah.
Volkswagen engines and stuff. Mhm.
Remember these?
Austin Healey's?
Yeah.
Really?
You know them, huh?
Oh yeah.
59, yeah?
I remember.
I've never seen a 59 though. I've seen different years. I've never seen a 59. You see how they use string beans? And the wheel is a telescopic wheel.
And the stick shift, it was a stick shift or automatic?
No, it's not the automatic thing.
Okay.
I think 4-speed.
Nice.
Mine had 2 carburetors. Igualito, sí, man.
Really? Oh, that's
What year is
awesome.
this? This is a 62. Mine was a 59. 106. This is a 3000. I was saying 106 or something.
If there's a sunbeam here, it'll be amazing.
Mine was more like this one. 2 carbs. Igualito, sí. 6-cylinder.
Freaking awesome.
Yeah.
A little hood, the hood. Damn. This is nice.
This is a 100, no 3,000. No, 100. Mine was a BN6. 59 BN6 was mine.
I like this one.
Wheels were the same. Todo igualito me. Only mine was a 59, 2 years. This is a BN7. It's got 3. Mine was a BN6. Had 2 carburetors. ¿Cómo me pesa que lo vendí, chingado?
I don't know, maybe we'll find one someday or build one from scratch. Yeah, if I had time, I'd build one from scratch, man. This is old school. This is the first poor man's race car. 1994 Acura NSX.
It's Honda.
Oh yeah, yeah. That's a poor man's supercar.
Basic.
For sale, 39,000. It's not bad.
Yeah, another supercar. I mean, poor man's supercar. Oh,
Now this one nice. Jaguars, you know.
Going now. Leaving now.
There's a bug-eyed Sprite.
oh, this is
Triumph.
interesting.
It's a Triumph. Yeah.
Okay. That is nice.
There's a Mini Cooper. These are real fucking Europe. This gas was about $8 a gallon there.
Wow.
And they were fast too.
Look at the little tires. Damn.
But the gear ratio on this thing, man, they move out. An Austin Cooper.
That's awesome. Oh, look at this bad boy.
The old.
Corvette
No, it's a
or Cobra.
Cobra.
Yeah, it's in 2 weeks. No, week. Next week.
The James Dean car? Or
James
the
Dean was the Porsche that we saw over there.
oh. Okay,
Same as
yeah.
the Volkswagen 58, 55 Porsche. Yeah, se me acuerdo, James Dean.
Is that Le Mans car then?
Yeah.
That's the Le Mans one?
Okay.
Oh, nice. Very nice. Viper.
Look at the color on that one.
Oh, yeah, I like that one. I like that one. Oh, that one's badass.
Look at the plate. Too orange. I'm not kidding, that's too orange.
Oh, this is sick. I like this. I don't like Dodge, but I like this one. Ooh, super nice. Oh, is it a Cobra?
Yeah.
It's not a Viper?
No, no.
Oh, beautiful. Let me.
See a Viper later on.
I couple, I have like about 100 already. I'm just going around taking pictures.
Wow. That's super nice. Super nice. Outside. Oh, I like this one.
Please come visit our neighborhood at 662 South Wilmot. You'll see how our neighborhood
Oh,
starts to
nice.
park. Thank you again
This
so
is
much
nice,
for
too.
coming today. And
Look at this
have a
Cooper
wonderful
truck.
Oh, nice.
Time for another car owner raffle drawing. So if you're a car owner, here's your lucky chance. If you are
The old Jaguar, the 57 Jag.
raffle winner for
And this
car
is metal, puro fierro, real heavy.
I like that.
California tenía uno.
I like this one.
Oh shit, it's gonna rain.
Rain's not gonna kill you, bro.
Oh, sorry.
You want a Coke or anything?
No.
Water or anything?
So you're gonna be helping us sell
Yes,
drinks,
sir.
right?
I'll,
All right.
I'll handle the money.
Oh,
Don't
you'll
worry.
handle the money. Okay, sure.
Don't gotta worry about a thing.
That's badass.
Mine was a 396. Qué bonito, ¿no? I like that body
This is a
style.
rare one, though. It's got a 4-speed. 3.6. No, not at all.
Mustang Mach 1.
Not one.
Old school, but nice.
These are fast. This is more quick than this one is. Son of a bitch, move on.
Yeah, well. Cobra engine?
This is the
Dang.
one that the size the engine of the Oldsmobile got that size. You Hector had one of these.
My Jeep is saying, these things are
Look at those Cadillacs.
they just.
Lincoln Continental.
This is the quintessential.
Well, you want a highway car, comfortable? That's it.
Oh, nice. Whew.
I'm right back. But you have one of those in the front yard. Yeah. Unbelievable.
And there's the 66.
That means they're doing good. Is it what is it?
It's a 65 Buick. That's what mine is, the 65. There's a convertible though. What do I see?
So this one's Alice.
Oh, it's a Grand Sport model. Okay.
Dang. Is this how it was originally sold?
Yeah.
Dang.
It's for sale. You know, the Oldsmobile I got the same thing.
Power antenna?
Louis did it in, but on the guys, you got the switch for the antenna, where you dig it, you come up and sell. But it's in the rear. There's a little Chevy Nova. This is a real popular. También. This is a good.
Like
super race cars.
Yeah. Legendary.
Corvettes they were pretty nice. You could fix them up sporty. Corvette. They made them very little. Your Tia Yoli used to have one, real pretty ones, in pictures of.
Or Colbert.
A Corvair, the engine's in the back.
Oh.
And if you
Mid-engine
didn't take
car?
care of them, if you didn't take care of the engine, se forjaban los muros, hermano, y se cae el motor. for the Corvette.
Oh, nice.
Back up.
So te digo, the motor mount to come loose, y se
All
caen.
right, Mike. I
Not on the way out, but you know, they just drop.
There's a flaw.
Yeah.
Check out that.
Holy shit, look at this one.
The McLaren. Oh, this is a nice one.
Beautiful. That is what a beautiful car.
That's nothing. Check out this one. Oh, okay.
Look at the inside. Holy shit.
Beautiful.
Look at the door, bro. Look at that one.
Yeah. I like that one better.
Let's go see that one.
That one, a Ford GT. The new one.
GT Lamborghini? What's that?
No, Ford.
Ford?
The Ford GT was the first Le Mans car.
Yeah, it's got the engine.
Yeah, it was the car. It was the car that beat Ferrari in the Le Mans. Check out the air. Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm talking about. The air, you can see the air scoops in. It also sucks in there. It goes through the doors. It gets, collected, cools the brakes down. What do you think of this thing? Carbon fiber everything, pretty much.
Lightweight?
Look at the steering wheel. It's like a pilot car.
See the
Yeah.
transmissions on the steering wheel. You can put the gears.
Yeah. This is a badass car. And I think, guess what it is? 4-cylinder. Yeah, let's look at the wording on the sign. Yeah, I'm not kidding. Not even kidding. Oh, it's a V6. My bad.
3.5 maybe, yeah.
Well, you're right, but that's,
But Jesus Christ, and that's 650 horsepower?
Yeah.
50 torque?
yeah.
Fucking moves out.
Yeah.
Really is
V6. I mean,
Hey! When I was in high school, I was working for a plumbing shop. I used to drive one of those.
oh yeah?
Yes.
How to handle? Like the Isuzu?
Take
Oh, I
a quick
can't
look down
remember
there. Oh, this is not a Corvette.
Obviously.
Look at the brakes on the GT. Look how big they are. Look at the brake disc.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, well, you need something like that. I mean,
Yeah.
Stop it.
Can you believe it? It's the size of the whole tire. Oh, nice.
I can't believe it or not, but those are wooden wheels.
Really?
Yeah.
Let me see.
Tier 0. Roadster.
I like that
Lower
one.
hit cam.
That's super awesome.
Look, I never seen this before.
Yeah. These had electric starters.
You're killing me, so everything's original. These had a rumble seat at that one.
Oh, nice.
Step here, step here, and then get into the rumble
Oh, nice. And then, did this go down or no? It was
seat.
just
No, that's the way it is.
hard top. Nice.
This is the luggage rack.
Oh yeah, you
your
climb.
suitcases?
You'd walk up here.
Or you put out here, you put your suitcase and tie it.
Oh, that is nice. That is pretty
Then
awesome.
you step here and here, and then get into the.
The
Come on,
ru-
there's a rumble seat.
Oh yeah.
See why? Two people could sit there. They don't have the steps.
Or maybe that thing.
So maybe they're on that side. Why stop?
Oh yeah. Nice.
Qué bonito, sí. Yeah, just to ride in these, the vibration que te da, you know, you're sitting on it. It's like I can get that 37 Ford that Hilda had. That's why I always wanted one.
What do you think is that? Is that just to put stuff in there, or okay? Did it have a electric starter, or you had to crank it?
No, they had a starter. See those toggle switches?
Mm-hmm.
Had a starter, and then you push the button.
Nice. Oh, sorry.
I'll find.
Pretty nice.
It's a 75. A guy did the chassis work in Michigan in 2002, and then it got sold around the country. The motor was sold, and I bought it. Of course, I bought it. I liked the chassis work. I liked that it had already. I just fixed every wire in it. Fixed the indoor actuator. I switched it to it's stiff. It's got coilovers all the way around. I mean, we don't have a lot of flex. It goes down too far, the roads. Nah, it's stiff.
That's what you want though, around the corners,
It's
right?
like a drag car.
Yeah, nice. Okay. That's I never heard of that kind of car. I like it.